Hey guys, so we just came outside, just looking at this. Over here somewhere, over here, there was thunder, and our light almost went flickering out. It might come any second now. Oh, right there. Oh, that's freaking creepy. I know everybody's seen, right, oh, he missed. I know everybody's, there's thunder over there. I hope there's no, floods or any tornadoes because we live in Texas.
I hope there's no floods.
Huh?
I hope there's no floods.
Oh. Okay. So everything just completely went off. I don't know until that one, oh, right there. Almost over there somewhere. It almost came in, and yeah. I saw it struck in. It was stuck in that thing, that white thing over there, right there. Like right here, right there. That thing right there, it was struck in that. But I don't know if it's going to disconnect our water. Oh, right there. Oh. I said no. Get over here, cause you could probably get electrocuted. Get over here.
No, but it comes from the ocean.
Y'all better have anything metal on y'all.
It comes from the ocean. I can't get tased. Maybe get tased all day.
Okay, there's lightning over there. Look at this bad weather. Oh, there was some over there. So yeah, bad weather, bad controlments. Hate this weather actually.
I love the weather.
I hope school's canceled for tomorrow. I don't know, because tomorrow's Friday, and I hope that, oh, there's some over there and right there. I was like over there and over there.
Oh, bro, I just saw one behind.
So there's a chance that the lightning could hit that, because that gate's metal, or hit something else. That's metal. I don't know. It could hit something else. My basketball court's metal. Everything's metal in this house. So, okay, right there. You see, it was hidden like over there somewhere.
Where did that come from? From the
So,
ocean. How?
I hope the people from over there, I hope they don't get struck by lightning. Please send a prayer for them. I hope they're okay.
I got the
Here in Texas is really bad. It's kind of bad, but California and Florida, it's way more worse. Yes, we live in Texas. Okay, over there.
No, we live in San Antonio.
San Antonio is Texas.
San Antonio, Texas. I'll be here.
And look at this freaking kid thinks he's freaking karate. I said no. Do not hold those right there. Do not hold them. No, drop them.
Why?
You could get electrocuted. Have they?
I can't get electrocuted.
Okay.
I'll go play basketball at half fun. Yeah, me either.
So my uncle and my cousin left somewhere. I don't know. They probably went to store to pick up some things.
No,
My
they
mom
went
went
to the
somewhere.
store.
Alright, they went to the store. I was trying to try to upload a video of Fortnite. It was my actual first time uploading a full video, Fortnite. But until the power went out. And I didn't have a chance to do this. But pretty soon I will. But I didn't have a chance. So yeah, I might do that tomorrow. Or if it's still like this, like the next day, I'm not doing it. I could do it on Saturday. Oh, I forgot I'm going with my dad on Saturday. Okay, doesn't matter. I might not go to my friend's house tomorrow. I don't know. So yeah. we might just be here. No freaking Wi-Fi. So y'all might not. So y'all might wondering, well, how am I uploading? I mean, like doing the camera. My phone has a camera right here. Has a camera. That's how I can upload things from around here. Oh yeah. And this guy tried to do the greedy, but this guy can't even do the greedy. Trying to do the gritty, hit your heels. Okay, I got a notification about the weather. Okay, right there. So yeah, so it's pretty dangerous if you ask me. Because you can see the news. If anything was happening in Texas, if y'all live here in Texas, make sure to be careful. I don't know if it's doing the same thing at downtown. It might do the same thing downtown. So yeah, so my phone is about to die. So there's weather over there. I can't even point right. There's weather over there. So yeah, guys. So I only have like 9%. So I have to wait, and my phone's gonna die. So I'll try to catch up with the Fortnite video. I might. So I'm not sure. So yeah, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.